I'll show you how to fix a broken Honda Civic key fob. My key fob is broken in that it's really loose, and when I go to start the car, the key actually kind of breaks apart. So that's because the plastic key fob case has now cracked and broken, and this won't work. You can still stick the key part into the ignition, but when you start the car will shut off because it doesn't sense a key fob present. So I'm going to show you how to fix this broken key fob a cheap way without having to order a brand new key and having to reprogram it. I found a replacement key fob case without the guts in it, basically, on Amazon, and I'll put a link to that in the description. So the replacement case comes in a little kit here. So it has the case, the screw and a little screwdriver, and this piece that will slide around your key there to hold it all together. And the replacement case will just reuse the inside parts, you know, the guts from your original key fob. So this replacement case will also work if your key fob is broken in any other area. Obviously, you can replace your case using this kit. So let's disassemble the original key fob here so that we can reuse the internal parts. For me, the key's already broken. It's a little bit easier. And I can just separate my key fob here. If yours is still together, just take a flathead screwdriver and separate your two key fob halves, just like you would do just if you're changing the battery here. So something like that, separate it out. Now, if your key is still together, take a screwdriver and remove the screw here holding it together. Mine's already separated, so because that screw is hard to get out, I'm going to take some pliers there and just get it started. Okay. Now I've removed this little screw here. Now we have to get the good inside parts out of this key fob. So just separate it out. Pretty easy, just like that. And this is what we're going to reuse in the replacement key fob. So get the piece that came in the kit here that goes around your key and put your key through that piece. It shouldn't matter which direction. It fits around there nice and snug. Grab the replacement key fob here and separate it. Put the original guts of your key fob into the replacement key fob here. Then just put your key in a position. It'll really only fit one way. One side of this little black plastic piece is a little bit larger, and it does fit around a tab inside this replacement case here. So you'll see it's pretty obvious. And then we're going to just place the other half of the replacement key fob where it goes, snap it into position, and now we'll put the little screw into place that came with the replacement key fob. And that's it. We're all done. Now we have a usable key again. It looks good as new, and it uses the same insides and the same actual key as our original. So no reprogramming needed or no cutting needed, and we're good as new. So hope this video helped you all out. If it did, give me a thumbs up and follow for more useful videos. Thanks.